Terima kasih sudah melihat. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye-bye.